Sometimes, one machine sitting in an ordinary garage can produce results that feel almost unbelievable. Picture a compact plastic shredder, turning old bottles and containers into polished, colorful products that people eagerly buy. With the right setup, a simple workspace becomes a place where raw materials transform into real income. You do not need a factory, a huge budget, or years of experience. All it takes is choosing a machine that matches your goals and letting it work for you. In this video, you will see 13 powerful machines that can start generating profit from home. Each one is capable of producing something useful, sellable, and in demand. If you have motivation and a bit of space, these machines can help you build a business that grows from your garage. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 13. Industrial Sewing Machine. This machine turns heavy materials into high-value products that people appreciate for their durability and craftsmanship. These machines handle leather, canvas, denim, and upholstery with ease, giving you the ability to produce items that regular home machines cannot manage. A solid setup costs around $800 to $3,000, and once running, it opens the door to products like custom wallets, belts, holsters, and bags that customers gladly pay premium prices for. Beyond creating new goods, the repair side of this machine is equally profitable. Boat covers, furniture upholstery, automotive interior fixes, and heavy canvas repairs keep income steady and reliable. The combination of strong demand, low material cost, and fast turnaround makes this machine a consistently profitable choice for a home workshop. Number 12. Plastic Shredder. This machine gives you the power to turn waste into useful and attractive products. With setups starting around $2,000 to $8,000, you can process discarded plastic bottles, containers, and packaging into bright flakes that can be molded into coasters, bowls, panels, or even material for 3D printer filament. The environmental angle adds tremendous appeal since customers love supporting sustainable businesses and buying items with a meaningful story. Some operators even earn income twice, once by collecting plastic for a small fee, and again by selling the finished products, which creates a strong profit cycle. With community support, simple operation, and a growing interest in eco-friendly goods, a plastic shredder becomes a powerful and profitable machine for a small home-based business. Number 11. Coffee Roaster Machine. This machine transforms simple green coffee beans into fragrant specialty roasts that customers are eager to buy. Small units for home businesses start around $1,300, while more capable machines range up to several thousand. The magic lies in taking affordable green beans and turning them into fresh roasted coffee that commands a significantly higher selling price. You add value through heat, timing, and flavor control, which creates strong profit potential. Your biggest advantage is freshness, since grocery store coffee often sits for months before reaching buyers. With a few roast profiles and consistent quality, you can build a loyal local audience that prefers small batch flavor over mass-produced options. This machine makes premium home roasting both practical and profitable. Before we move to next, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 10. Rubber Stamp Making Machine. This machine is compact, fast, and capable of producing custom stamps within minutes. With equipment costing $60 to $500, it is one of the most affordable machines to start with, yet it serves a surprisingly large market. Businesses, notaries, offices, and organizations constantly need address stamps, logo stamps, and approval stamps, and they prefer local creators who can deliver same-day service. Material costs stay very low, which means the profit margin on each stamp can be impressive without needing high volume. The process uses UV exposure and photosensitive materials to create clean and detailed stamp plates that look professional. Because demand is steady and predictable, This machine offers a simple and profitable small business opportunity right from a garage or home office. Number 9. Desktop CNC Plasma Cutter. This machine brings industrial-level metal cutting into a compact garage setup. Entry-level tables begin around $1,500, while more advanced systems go higher depending on cutting area and features. With computer-guided precision, this machine cuts steel and metal sheets into intricate shapes, giving you the ability to create custom metal signs, artwork, brackets, fire pit parts, and automotive components. The speed and accuracy far exceed manual cutting, which leads to strong profit potential. Car owners, homeowners, and small businesses often need custom parts quickly, creating constant demand for personalized metalwork. Since each project begins as a low-cost flat sheet and becomes a valuable finished item, this machine remains one of the most profitable fabrication tools you can operate from home. You are about to see a machine that turns cheap raw material into products with surprising profit potential, so keep watching. Number 8. Food Dehydrator. This machine turns fresh ingredients into long-lasting snacks that attract health-conscious customers. These machines range from $200 to $1,000 and can process large batches of fruit, vegetables, or meat at once. The appeal is simple. People want natural snacks with clean ingredients, and small batch dehydrated foods fit that demand perfectly. Jerky, fruit chips, vegetable crisps, and fruit leather all offer strong profit potential because shoppers are willing to pay a premium for quality. Most of the work is hands-off. Load the trays, set the timer, and let the machine handle the rest. With farmers markets, small stores, and online buyers, this machine gives you multiple streams of income and a reliable product line that stays profitable throughout the year. Number 7. Wooden Cutlery Making Machine. This machine supports a growing market driven by eco-friendly regulations and the shift away from single-use plastics. These machines cost around $4,000 to $12,000 and can produce thousands of forks, spoons, and knives each hour. Restaurants, food trucks, and catering businesses increasingly prefer wooden utensils because they are sustainable and meet environmental standards. The raw materials are inexpensive, yet the finished products offer solid profit potential due to ongoing demand. Local suppliers gain an advantage because businesses love reliable, fast delivery without large shipping costs. You can also offer custom branding or unique shapes, which creates additional income opportunities. With regulations expanding and interest in greener options rising, this machine delivers steady demand and long-term profitability. If you are finding these machines inspiring and want more ideas that can generate real profits from home, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more creators like you. Number 6. Laser Rust Removal Machine. This machine uses concentrated light to clean metal surfaces with accuracy and no harsh chemicals. Entry-level models start around $5,000, and more powerful units reach $6,500 to $15,000. Yet the demand they tap into can create strong profits. Car enthusiasts, contractors, antique collectors, and homeowners all need rusted or painted surfaces restored, and they often prefer a fast, clean method over traditional sanding or blasting. The machine removes rust instantly, leaving metal ready for refinishing, which makes your service valuable and in demand. Since jobs can be completed quickly and customers appreciate precision results, operators can achieve consistent profitability by offering restoration services for tools, auto parts, equipment, and metal furniture. Coming up next is a machine that customers request all year long, which makes it one of the most stable home business options in this list. Number 5. Vacuum Forming Machine. This machine shapes heated plastic sheets into custom products with speed and precision. Small tabletop units range from $800 to $3,000, making them accessible for home-based businesses. With this machine, you can produce custom packaging, cosplay armor, protective covers, trays, organizers, and prototype housings. The flexibility of the process creates strong profit potential, since molds can be 3D printed, carved from foam, or machined from wood, allowing you to serve niches that big manufacturers overlook. Material costs stay low, and customers value customized parts that solve specific problems. When you offer small production runs with fast turnaround, businesses and hobbyists will happily pay for convenience and personalization, making this machine a reliable source of income. Number 4. Small pellet mill. This machine compresses sawdust, agricultural waste, and biomass into dense pellets used for heating or animal feed. Compact machines cost around $1,500 to $5,000 and run efficiently once properly adjusted. This setup becomes profitable because many lumber yards and sawmills offer wood waste at very low cost, and sometimes even for free, allowing you to turn discarded material into valuable pellets. Heating pellets are always in demand during colder seasons, while custom animal feed blends attract local farmers and pet owners year-round. With consistent production and access to raw materials, operators can create a steady income stream, supplying farm stores, home users, and small retailers. The low input costs and constant demand make this machine a profitable addition to a home workshop. Number 3. Screen printing setup. This machine allows you to create custom apparel for schools, local businesses, events, clubs, and online customers. A full manual setup usually costs $500 to $2,000, including screens, squeegees, inks, and a small dryer. Profitability comes from the low production cost of each shirt compared to what customers pay for personalized designs. You can print small batches quickly, which gives you an advantage over large online companies that require minimum orders and long wait times. Custom t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and uniforms offer steady income because demand constantly renews. With strong local relationships and fast turnaround, this machine becomes a reliable source of profit for anyone who enjoys design and hands-on production. The next machine is small, but its ability to deliver fast customization makes it incredibly profitable for home-based creators. Number 2. Wood lathe. This machine turns raw wood into handcrafted items with a high perceived value. Quality midsize lathes cost $800 to $2,000, and the tools needed to begin are minimal. This machine can produce bowls, pens, rolling pins, pepper mills, candlesticks, and decorative pieces that customers love to buy because each item feels unique and handmade. Profitability comes from the low cost of raw materials, such as scrap wood or locally sourced hardwoods, combined with the high selling prices of finished pieces. Handmade wooden goods sell well at craft fairs, online stores, and local markets. Because the learning curve is manageable and products can be created quickly, a wood lathe offers a steady and profitable small business opportunity. Number 1. Key cutting machine. This machine provides a simple service that everyone needs, making it one of the most dependable small business tools. Professional units cost between $500 and $3,000 and can duplicate house keys, padlock keys, motorcycle keys, and many non-electronic automotive keys. The process is fast, and each key costs very little to produce, creating strong profit potential on every copy. Property managers, landlords, real estate agents, and local homeowners need constant key replacements, which ensures steady demand. Many operators also offer mobile or pickup service, making the business even more convenient for customers. With minimal overhead, quick turnaround times, and consistent demand, a key cutting machine delivers reliable profitability from a small home-based setup. No single machine is perfect for everyone, but each one has the power to turn simple materials into products people genuinely want. Whether it is cutting metal with precise detail, shaping wood into handcrafted pieces, roasting small batch coffee, or producing eco-friendly goods, every tool on this list offers a clear path to real profit. The key is choosing the machine that matches your skills, budget, and local demand. Once you start creating and building consistency, your garage can become a reliable business space that grows month after month. These machines prove that you do not need a factory or a huge investment, just motivation and the right idea to get started. If you found this video helpful, Take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.